Hey guys, this is my review for the Bread & Taylor bread proofer, foldable bread proofer. I love that it folds away easily. I can easily set this in my bread hutch that I have. It fits on a shelf. I can put stuff on top of it and it doesn't take up that much space. So that's the number one thing for me. It's super easy to use. We'll just go ahead and take this off here. And we'll go ahead and set it up. So this is a rack. Your water holder. Okay, so we just take this part here, open it up, bring it out, and it goes into these little parts here and over here. Okay, so we have that there. And then, so when I'm proofing bread, I fill this with water and set it in there. And then I put the rack on. So you can see that, how that's set up there. Okay, and then to turn it on, so I already have it plugged in here. It comes with a cord. You can unplug it from here. Okay, so you turn it on, you have your bread proofer option or your slow cook option. So you could not use the water part and the rack and put like a pot directly on there and do a slow cook function. You can make yogurt in this. Besides bread proofing, there's other functions. You set your temperature. So right now it's on proofing function. You can move it over to the cooking function there. And yes, okay, so it's super easy to use. I love this. It is an absolute lifesaver in the winter time when my sourdough just starts taking forever to proof. I break this baby out. So this is a fantastic product by Bread & Taylor. I definitely recommend this. And there you have it. So to put it away, you just take everything back out. Turn it off, pop that up, fold it in, set it down, set that there, put the rack back on. It goes in these little squares here. Put this back on. To close it all the way, you have to unplug it. It's unplugged, and there you go. Super easy. This is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal for baking. Definitely recommend this.